Plenty of family na farmer inside long Papua New Guinea isave lokau tem kakaruk. Na displa tupla kain kai blong kakaruk oli walk long yusim. Long lokau tim 1 pla box baby kakaruk oli save baim 6 pla bag kakaruk kai o stock feed. 3 pla bag starter na 3 pla bag finisher. Displa ol feed by inapim o kakaruk I go 6 or 7 pla week before long ol kakaruk I ready long salim. Moni ol farmer yusim long baim 1 pla bag starter or 1 pla bag finisher feed mark na me long 75 kina I go inap long 80 kina. Plenty farmer I stop long lokau tim kakaruk long onem oli talk win money blong kakaruk I lik na hard work blong oli lose nothing. Long Nari or National Agricultural Research Institute, mi play pilim olsem mi pla mas helping you. Olsem na long 1 pla work research, mi pla try painim sampla rot long kamapim kai blong kakaruk, 1 time ol place kai. Iga 2 pla good pla na new pla rot mi play kamapim pinis. This pla rot mi easy, na mi can help you make him big pla win money. Displa emol kaukau want emol tapiok. Na displa does something also finisher stock feed. Tupla kain kai blong kakaruk mi play call him high energy concentrate na low energy concentrate. Mi play kisim tupla concentrate long table birds. Ol 4 plus something mi play walk 1 time long make him kai blong kakaruk. Okay, now ba mi separate him displa tupla concentrate 1 time right poro blong tupla. Poro blong high energy concentrate tapiok. Na poro blong low energy concentrate kaukau.
Kala na feel blong high energy concentrate na low energy concentrate crumples. Emi one kind. So you can tell him difference long. Label istab in long. Antap lo bag low high energy concentrate na low energy concentrate.
Suppose you walk 1 time kaukau na poro concentrate blong long lukau tim kakaruk. You must use him displa 2 pla poro tasol I go inap you salim displa guru kakaruk. No can try senisim kai I go long tapiok na melong all week. No gat. You walk 1 time kaukau, you must use him kaukau tasol. Na you walk 1 time tapiok, you use him tapiok tasol. Suppose you like senisim kai long kaukau I go long tapiok, you must start 1 time new pla group kakaruk. Na walk 1 time same kai I go you salim displa kakaruk. Long you lo make him displa project, you must igat inap kaukau long garden or inap tapiok long garden. Long research work mi play when make him, mi play look survey also tapiok na kaukau. Tupla 1 time I work good long kakaruk. Na grow long kakaruk I 1 kind long 1 week. Displa tupla kai by senisim finisher kai. So you must start give him long kakaruk behind long 3 pla week time kakaruk I finish long starter kai. So now ba mi play show you how you can make him displa kai blong kakaruk. But you may start 1 time kaukau na poro concentrate blong na behind ba mi play using tapiok na poro concentrate blong Time you kisim kaukau long garden I go long house. You must wash him good kaukau long rouse him all get the ground. Time you wash him finish alright, cut him all big black kaukau by only tan area. Behind long you wash him kaukau, you boil him all 1 time skin. Long boil him kaukau, you put him go inside long 1 pla pot. Long here mi play cook long big pla dish, long on mi play look out him plant kakaruk. Cook him kaukau long paya I go in a politan good. Try poke more kaukau na pilim suppose inside it and good. Suppose you look him tan, alright, rouse him this long paya, put him pot long side, na larim ol kau we call. Ol cook kau we can stop alright overnight long use him next day. Alright, behind long one plahawa, you sek him on pla good plahap long sit down, na you start meme him ol kau. Ol likli kau straight and by na pi mouse blong ol kakarok. Long ane mouse blong ol kakarok and mi likli. And me good plus suppose family belong you helping you. But you look him all same time all family bong him han. Walk by pinis area. Time you pla borke moga ta kau pinis. You pla ba mix him this pla kau one time low energy concentrate belong him. Time you like mixing, you kiss him one pla bowl or container. This pla same bowl or container you use him long scale him kau. You must use him too long scale him concentrate long kau. Put map him this bowl one time kau. Na put him go inside long this. You must put map him kau 3 time altogether. Time you scale him kau pinis, alright, you must use him this same bowl, long scale him 1 bowl concentrate long kau. 3 bowl kau, you ba mix him one time 1 bowl concentrate long kau. When him kind size bowl, this or container you use him long scale him kai. You must scale him 3 long kau or tapioca na 1 high energy concentrate or 1 low energy concentrate. Display emi mark blong skelim kau or tapioca na concentrate blong 2 Suppose you got plenty group kakaruk, you can mix him again kai one time display mark blong kai me play give him you. Kiss him concentrate na kapsait him lick i go on top long kau na mix him 2 good. Mix him 2 i go in a color i one kind. You must work him na mix him good. Suppose you like him kakaruk blong you i kai good display kai. Time color i come up one kind. Now you serve all same kai i mix good. Na me ready long you give him long kakaruk. Put him this mix kai go inside long feeder long kakaruk. Na bring him go long kakaruk long kai. Alright, rod blong mix him kau na poro mix blong me play som you penis. Now ba me play som you rod blong straight in tapioca na poro concentrate blong Long mixing tapioca na poro mix blong imi ba behind him one kind rod or semi play straight him kau. Number 1 something you must rouse him skin blong tapioca. Behind, wash him all tapioca good. Na cut him all in up long size long cook him. One can also kau. You by put him tapioca, he go inside long this na start cook. Cook him tapioca good through. Na time me tan, Larry may stop call. Time me call finish, alright. You paini one bla good bla hap long sit down, na you start memei molis bla tapiok. Memei mol tapiok good through, na no can larim sam bla big bla hap stop. Time you working finish, alright. Bring him this na bowl come close to, na scale him tapiok. Put him 3 bla bowl tapioca go inside long this pastime. Behind, put mapim 1 plate this high energy concentrate long tapioca. Na kapsay tim lik ang tap long al tapioca. 1 can of some cacao. You mix him good. Mix him go na kala masenis. Time you capsize 1 plate this concentrate finish. Kai ready now, long you give him long kakaruk. Kissing feeder come close to, na put him kai mix, he go inside. Put him kai good, na mi mas inap long kakaruk kiken kai. Behind, kisim this pla feeder I go na put him long 1 pla half where all the kakaruk can kai. Suppose you got plenty kakaruk, you can kiss him more feeder long put him kai long kakaruk, long inap him all the kakaruk blow you. But you look him all same, number 1 time you give him kai, or kakaruk by peel him less lick long on him, new plus something long only kai. No can worry too much long this plan. Time all kakaruk angry, all by still kai. Na time only save long kai, all by kai good through, na close to 1 kind of same, only save kai stock feed. This pla kai you must mix him, na give him 2 pla time long 1 pla day. Give him enough long morning, na enough long afternoon. A good plamo long you sekim kai na wara close to. No can larim contain na wara or kai stop empty. Time kakaruki kai close to na mi drink plenty clean wara and by grow hurry up and by kissing good skin. Long finish pla one day you sekim all feeder. Suppose you look him half kai stop, rouse him all. Washing feeder good, larime me dry or cleaning water good, now you can put him new pla kai go inside. All wet pla kai is have a bagarap hurry up, na me can give him sick long kakarok blow you. Also na you must wash him na clean him feeder all gata day, time you like put him new pla kai go inside. Iga two sample something you must look save na straight him, suppose you like him kakarok blong you grow good. You mi harem.
So big plus something you must look him. Time you come stand up now you open him the one now you smell him. Now you must you must send him sawdust.
Sawdust.
Or you must stand him sawdust.
Okay.
So time you got sawdust now also you look in time will go big plan now will by sleep now bell blow basua. Or underneath the leg blow basua because you know got sawdust. So you must put him sawdust go inside. Big plan. So kai tasol concentrate na disla lose him. Marasim do tapiok cholem kai. Tapiok yet stop. You broke him good. Look him disla you not lo broke him eme.
Yes, you know what.
Eme. You broke him good go meme mol get awesome na you mixing want to concentrate and mix good. Emba kai. Sem na you walk him oseme. Concentrate bli ba pinisaret na kakaruk bili na try play. That's all I'm come up good. Well, come up good. So you mean so I can tapiok na come up good or I can marasino come up good. Because you looking mix you know mix them good. Muyok lo tok ya. Narapla fama anta tupla mi plak am lukimia. Ausblo liklik. Now we need to run good to mass. So time you open the door, go inside, but you smell him. Smell block, pepper block kakaruk. Okay, this layer you looking, we him run good. Now after something you put in wood chips here. Now this layer him dry. So I'm alright. So suppose soda stem wet. Now no got soda stem smell block pepper. Once a guest time on pepper, guests are come outside. Now guests are supposed to step inside. And by walking inside the house hot. So you got good plan have the winnie run remember alright. You have no got ask me to talk and William run good. Now so that's two dry name clean so I'm alright. Now kakaruk blin or dirty. Kakaruk straight in the stuff.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
So one plus something one time will this la kakaruk all back come up good time no got kai now. This la skin all kissim ya. Body blong eme and Brooklyn ken this la skin em kissim na kakaruk blue ba go down ken. So get time wara na kai must stop. So ante this la kai blonari mi pla walking na you buy him lom plan na look out him ya. Mosem suppose kakaruk blue la come up good and one kind of solo semol kakaruk lo kai blus to wara must stop all get time kai must stop all get time.
Displa all house na all farmer emo line long nambis. Tasol you farmer long highlands must be in him one kind road long look out him kakaruk. You must clean him peckwek long kakaruk all get the time na put him plant sawdust long rouse him smell. Put him one pla coleman lamp close to long all kakaruk by only peel him hot na two only can look good long kai na only can kai. Time you behind him display way long look out him kakaruk, you by look him all same. Kakaruk kiss him 7 pla week long ready. You buy him 1 pla 50 kilo bag concentrate long 125 kinatasol na ino 3 pla finisher bag stock feed. Mi play salim concentrate now long 2 kina 50 toya per kilo long livestock program long mi play long nari long lay. Suppose you like a more talk savvy, you can write the cam long display address. Or you ring me pla long 475 1066.
Video sa klaro ba iday tasoli. Posta bot na mi mas na mi tokim. Mrs. Josem. Fred kamen ba mitra tokim na kison plan. Concentrate ken. Bro, fitu klaro. Mi mas na disla fit mi. Mitra pasin to sen na. Mitra wande laksim. 1 plus concentrate camp.